Hi everybody. I thought it might be fun today to show you our outdoor living space. I've got it so it's very comfortable out there for us for the season and wanted to make sure I shared it with you. So come on, let's go. Outdoor living spaces are important to us for entertaining, relaxing, and just looking out into the backyard. I hung patio lights vertically to add extra light to the space. They are hung on an open-ended hook and the lights are on a timer. The extra lights I tucked under this metal side table. I like to blur the inside-outside lines of outdoor living spaces, so I added this metal accent wall hanger and then just trimmed maple branches from the trees in the yard and popped them into the little tubes of this wall hanger. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our outdoor living space, and I will include the links in the description below. Like and subscribe so we can both grow together. Until next time, happy gardening.